Good morning, students. Let's come. We will continue third part of lesson 1, Know Your Planet of your social studies book. So, students, today we will discuss reading maps. Maps give us a lot of information about a country or a place. We must know how to read a map and understand the information it provides. Every map has some basic features. They are as follows. So students, let's see maps, reading maps. So we must know how to read and understand, okay, the information about which the maps provides. And map has different features or qualities. The different features we will be discussing here separately. The different features are directions, scales, symbols and colors. So first we will discuss directions. All maps follows a system of directions. The four major directions are north, south, east and west. The top of the map is north, the bottom of the map is south, east is to the right and west is to the left. The directions on a map can also be shown by an arrow mark N, which points towards the north directions. The other directions are then easy to find. So students, there are four major directions: north, south, east and west. The top of the map is north and bottom of the map is south, and right side of your hand is east and left side of your hand is west. Okay. The directions on a map can also be shown by an arrow marked N. So directions of a map can be shown by an arrow mark, a capital letter of N. After knowing the direction of north, we can easily find other directions on the map. Students, apart from these four major directions, there are also four intermediate directions on a map. Four intermediate directions. Okay, they are northeast. Northeast lies between north and east. That is called northeast. And northwest lies between north and west. Southeast lies between southeast lies between south and east, and southwest lies between south and west. So these are the four intermediate directions. So you must know these intermediate directions too. Okay, so now there are four major directions and four intermediate directions. So you must remember this and you must be able to write it. Now let's see next feature, that is scale. Scale is a measurement. Okay, so let's see the lines. It is not possible to show the actual size of the map of the earth on a map because it is too large. Let's suppose that the ground distance between Delhi and Agra is 200 km. It is not possible to show these cities at 200 km from each other on the map. So students, showing 200 km on the map, it is not possible. For showing 200 km, you think how large the map would be, and it is not possible. So students, to show this length of kilometer, a smaller unit is taken. To present this length of kilometer, a smaller unit is taken. Okay. Therefore, distance is projected by a smaller unit. A smaller unit on the map. Okay. The ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as the scale of the map. So this is the definition of scale. What is a scale of the map? Or the answer, okay? The ratio between the distance on the ground and the distance on the map is known as scale of map. Okay, and it is shown written here how it is written. Okay, 5 centimeter ratio 200 kilometer. Okay, so here 5 centimeter represents 200 kilometer on the map. So on the map everything is shown in smaller units. Okay, understood? Okay, now let's come to the next features, that is symbol. There is not enough space on a map to show mountains, rivers, lakes, bridges, dams, temples, churches, railway tracks, etc. So students, again on the map there is not sufficient place, okay, to show everything like mountain, river, lakes, bridges, dams, temples, churches, railway tracks, all these things. Okay, to present all these things the symbols are being used, and you have noticed on the map there are different symbols which represents the different things. Rivers you have seen, lakes you have seen, bridges symbols you have seen, dams symbols you have seen, temple symbols you have seen, railway track symbols you have seen. So these symbols represents the different things on the map. Okay, and students, without these symbols no map is useful. Okay, because all these symbols gives the different information. For example, the symbols how it represents. Okay, the land boundaries of a country is shown by thick dashes and dots in black. See, the land boundaries means the states and the other countries' boundaries. Okay, it is shown like this: thick dash line, then dot, then dash, like this it is represented. Okay, and a city is marked by a small circle, and you have noticed in the map the city is marked by circle. Okay, so let's now see the next feature, that is color. Once again, color also is same like other features. It is also very necessary and important. We have different colors to show various things on a map. Generally, maps follow a common color scheme. So students, in the map, different colors are being used to show different things on a map. And map always use common colors, which is all over used in the maps. Okay. So how these colors are being represented? Look at here. See, water bodies are shown in blue color, okay, water bodies, and shallow waters are shown in light blue color, and the deep water are shown in darker shade blue color. Okay, and next point, see, plains or lowlands are shown in green, ground areas, okay, they are shown in green color, and highlands are shown in shades of brown. Highlands like mountains, plateaus, all this shown in brown color. A key is given on a map to help us understand the color scheme and the symbols used. So students, in the map always in this place a key is given, okay, which shows the which help us to understand the map. Okay, its keys shows the height of land above sea level or depth of water below sea level. It also shows what the color represents on the map. So the key which is presented here, it gives all the information about the maps. Okay, so students, the chapter comes to end here. So now it's your turn to study and complete the exercises and show me. Okay, so thank you. So keep on your studies. Okay.